In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if an item can be gift wrapped. This quick walkthrough will show you how to use Etsy's built-in filters so you can find products that offer gift wrapping and where to confirm the details before you buy. Start by opening Etsy in your web browser or the Etsy app. Once you're on the homepage, use the search bar to type in what you're shopping for. Be as specific as you can with your keywords to get better results. For example, if you're shopping for a belt, include details like the material or style to narrow things down. When your search results load, look for the option to open the filters. On desktop, you'll typically see a Show Filters button near the top of the page. On mobile, it may appear as a filter or funnel icon. Opening this panel lets you refine your results so you only see listings that match what you need. Inside the filter panel, locate the section called Ordering Options. This is where Etsy groups features related to how the item can be prepared or delivered. Click to expand it so you can see all the available choices. Now, turn on the option labeled Can Be Gift Wrapped. As soon as you select this, Etsy will automatically filter your search to show only items from sellers who offer gift wrapping for that listing. This is the fastest way to make sure you're not browsing products that don't provide that service. With the filter applied, browse the updated results and click any item that catches your eye. Opening the product page lets you review photos, variations, prices, and, most importantly, the policies related to gift wrapping. On the listing page, scroll down to the item details section. This is where sellers include more information about gift wrapping. Here you'll often see whether gift wrapping is available for that specific item, what it might include, and if there's an additional cost. Some sellers describe the wrapping style, such as the paper or ribbon used, and whether they can include a gift message. If the listing is filtered in, gift wrapping should be offered, and this section helps you understand exactly what to expect. Before you add the item to your cart, it's a good idea to double-check these details so there are no surprises at checkout, especially if you're working with a deadline or sending the gift directly to someone else. That's it. By using the Show Filters button, opening Ordering Options, and enabling Can Be Gift Wrapped, then reviewing the item details on the product page, you'll quickly confirm which items can arrive beautifully wrapped and ready to gift.